Take the beach. Nice and easy.
All right, hold what you got.
Release the mini-drones. Heat seek. Second stack, closest to the bow.
Predator 01, capture target area.
Set charges.
Gunfighter 01, Eagle's moving. Internal. There. On the left. On that dual point.
Frogman A3. Frogman A3.
Three side on rooftop.
That's open platoon on standby.
That's that helo node. We're moving external.
I got it.
Bravo takes starboard. Ship right, ship right.
Cracking steel!
Fire! Missiles out, danger close.
He's running. Move!
He's on the run! He's on the run!
No! Please! Hold your fire! Hold fire! Not see, I've been injured.
Lost him in. Lost him in.
Medical Officer Ratchet. I'm a friend. I'm an Autobot.
Why are you running?
Optimus sent this distress message.
Calling all Autobots. We are under targeted attack. Cease all contact with humans.
We're all hiding. All Autobots are being hunted. We're all in danger.
I lost a sister in Chicago. You get no sympathy from me.
What's wrong with you humans? Please.
Check fire.
He's mine now. Lockdown.
Autobots, Decepticons, like little children, always fighting, making a mess out of the universe. Then I've got to clean it up. There is one way you survive. Tell me where he's hiding. Where is Optimus Prime?
Never.
Never is here.